Alright, back with another break of Ultimate here. Actually, it's almost 6:30. Just going to apologize. You'll see this after all the videos are up, but the first video was super long, so it's taken a bit to upload, and then all these will be following that one. So, anyway, Herb. Pick box number 43, 2009 Ultimate Collection Football. Bam. Alright, it's a thick one. It's in a sleeve, but the sleeve is jammed inside the crimp. If you can see, that's almost slotted out of the sleeve. You can see the sleeve right there. It was in a sleeve. Okay. Numbered 60 of 99, Javon Ringer. Jumbo patch and jumbo jersey. Front and back, big materials. 60 of 99. The rookie was James Laurinaitis at 375. Then Anquan and Tyson Jackson, rookie as well. Tyson was, yeah, 375. Okie doke. I don't know why they do this. If you notice this, these sleeves get clamped inside the bottom. Anyway, I appreciate it, Herb, and we will see you later, buddy. Alright, man.